Orchids are not only beautiful, but also offer several benefits when grown as houseplants. Here are 5 key benefits of orchids. 1. Air purification. Orchids help improve indoor air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, especially at night. This makes them an excellent choice for bedrooms, promoting better sleep and a healthier indoor environment. 2. Aesthetics and beauty. Orchids are known for their stunning and diverse blooms, which come in various colors, shapes, and sizes. Their exotic appearance adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any indoor space, enhancing the overall ambience of your home or office. 3. Low maintenance. Despite their delicate appearance, orchids are relatively low-maintenance plants. They require minimal watering and can thrive in indirect light, making them suitable for those who may not have a green thumb. 4. Longevity of blooms. Orchid flowers can last for several weeks to months, providing long-lasting beauty. This extended blooming period makes them a great investment for those who want to enjoy vibrant flowers indoors without frequent replacements. 5. Emotional and mental health benefits. Caring for orchids and enjoying their beauty can have therapeutic effects. The presence of orchids in your living space can reduce stress, boost mood, and provide a sense of accomplishment and joy as you watch them grow and bloom.